Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick video to help you with clip number 691, metric units of measure. There are three main things that we measure. We measure length, usually using a ruler, mass, that's kind of how much something weighs, and volume, that's how much space is inside something, how much it can hold. So we'll start with length. The standard main unit of length is meters. And we write that with an M. And that's what you'd use if you were maybe measuring the length of a classroom or something that sort of size. Or even the height of a person. Sometimes though, we need to measure something smaller than that. So we can use centimetres or millimetres. Now, there's two little words at the start of those. The first M here, millimetres, milli means thousandth. So a millimetre is 1,000th of a metre. If we look on our hundreds and tens and units, 1,000th is right down here. So we can write 1 millimetre as 0.0001 metres. A centimetre, centi means hundredth. So if we look here, hundredth, that means that a centimetre is 0.01 metres. Okay, but what if we wanted to measure something really big, like the distance from Liverpool to Widnes, for example? Then we wouldn't use metres, we'd use kilometres or kilometres. Kilo meaning 1,000. There are 1,000 metres in a kilometre. Next, let's move on to mass. How much something weighs. The standard unit for mass is grams, and we write that with a G. And if you were doing some baking, you might have been measuring stuff in grams. But sometimes we have to measure things that are smaller than grams, so we use milligrams. There's that M again, milligrams. So milligrams are 1,000th of a gram. There are 1,000 milligrams in a gram. Or we might want to measure something heavier. If we were measuring the mass of a person, we would use kilograms. Again, there's that K, meaning 1,000. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. If we wanted to measure something really heavy, like a train, we might use tons. And a ton is 1,000 kilograms. Finally, we have volume. How much space inside something there is. We sometimes also call it capacity. And we measure that in litres. So when you buy a drink, you might get a litre of water, for example. Litres we write with an L. We might also use centilitres, not very common, or millilitres. Millilitres we use quite a lot. Again, there's the M, meaning thousandth. So 1 millilitre is 1,000th of a litre. And 1 centilitre, C for centi, hundredth, is 100th of a litre. I hope that helps.